Struggling to find Namecheap's blog? Stop hunting blindly. I'll show you exactly where it is and how to filter articles in under 2 minutes. First, we'll go to Namecheap.com. Then I'll walk you through the Help Center, the blog, and how to sort by category and date. So let's start where you always start, right at the Namecheap homepage. Go ahead and open up Namecheap.com in your browser. Now, here's the thing most people miss. Everyone goes straight for the search bar or the login button, but the blog is tucked away in a spot that makes perfect sense once you know it. Look toward the top of the page, near the main navigation. You'll see a link that says Help Center. Go ahead and click that. All right, now you're in the Help Center. This is Namecheap's support hub, and right there on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. One of the options in that menu is Blog. That's exactly what we're looking for, so click on that. Now we're on the blog page, and it's a little different than just a simple list of articles. The page is organized into sections to help you find what you need. The first section you'll see is called Featured Articles. These are their hand-picked top-tier posts. Click on that section to expand it and see what they're highlighting. Scroll down just a little bit and you'll hit the next section, Recent Articles. This gives you the most up-to-date posts in a nice grid format. Click on that. Now here's where we really start to dial things in. Over on the left side of the blog page, you'll see a list of categories. One of them is domains. If you want tips on domain registration, transfers, or DNS settings, click on Domains. Instantly, the page shifts to show you only the articles tagged with that topic. Let's switch it up. Click on Managing a Business instead. This filters out all the technical stuff and shows you the articles about starting and running an online business, marketing tips, and entrepreneur advice. Now, what if you want to see all the articles in a category, not just the ones that fit on the screen? Look for the link that says View More. Give that a click, and it'll open up the full archive for that topic. And here's a really useful trick. You can filter by time, too. See that option that says Month? Click on that. It will show you all the articles published over the last month. But you can narrow it down even further. If you want to get really granular, click on Week or Month. That's a toggle. It lets you switch between seeing everything from the past month or just the past week. Now go ahead and click on Week. And just like that, the page updates to show you only the most recent articles from the last 7 days. And that's it. No more guessing or digging through random pages. Next time you need to learn something new or get advice on domains, hosting, or your online business, you know exactly where to go. You can jump straight from the Namecheap homepage to the Help Center, into the blog, and filter down to exactly what you need in just a couple of clicks.